Hey everyone, I just checked into the Hilton in Quebec City in the Old District, I believe is what they said. And I wanted to give you a look around. I have 2 beds, but I just got to give you this look at the view first. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited to explore more of Quebec for the first time, learn more about the area, check out all the historic buildings. Here's a look at the room. I have 2 beds. It's a really nice size room being in the center of the city. There's a great work area, flat screen, coffee maker, mini fridge, the bathroom. Everything you need for a great stay exploring the area. We'll have more on Quebec all the way to Montreal on Tammy Lee Tips, so make sure to check it out.